All right, game time. What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Today, we've got Babe to tour a $1.8 million motorhome, the Prevost Loki. And we're gonna need a little bit of help and a little bit of favors on this one. We talked to them. They want to invite us down, or me down, to us down possibly, I don't know, to an event here at the end of the month where they're gonna line up 50 of these things down in Ocala, Florida. Between us, I know about as much as Babe at this. So this isn't going to be for the buyer. I mean, if you want to get a good look at it, this is for the normal person who just wants to see a darn near $2 million motorhome. What's your initial thought about it before we start grabbing the camera and look around?
Oh, this just screams elegance and luxury.
I know, it's so crazy.
Over the top gorgeous.
Yeah, I mean, what's crazy is a couple years ago, I was like recording like $12,000 travel trailers. Now I get the opportunity to tour a darn near $2 million motorhome. But I mean, I don't know if you want to just like, if you want to sit down or something, show them what it looks like on the sofa.
Oh, absolutely.
What it looks like to be a babe. Look at that, a Babe, 1.8 million. I mean, come on.
Real leather.
Real leather. That's
Real
what you
leather.
get. You got tile on the floor. I mean, look at that, shining up like justice, baby. I don't even have to tap and say, if you're watching, I love you, because you're right here in the flesh. One thing that I know about these luxuries, poke up on the ceiling. How it's kind of like soft, you know?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Helps out with some sound deadening. I'd imagine you got to get real pinkies up, real rich for something like that. This little center strip is pretty darn cool. It also dims down as well. But you have the recliner. Did you watch how to do the TV when he was showing you?
He was showing me. He was showing you.
So I think he said you have to go to this setting right here.
Okay.
So this is like one of those crazy features right here. So you just push this.
Office.
And then, well, I'm going to do the main.
Okay.
So that's going to be right above here. And this TV actually just drops down. And listen how smooth that is. You're also going to have, you know, electric side mirrors and stuff when you're driving. So right up here, you know, you'll see left and right. We don't have it turned down, but up in the cockpit. Babe, do you want to sit down up in the front and kind of see what the push feel on that, or tush feel is on it? So this is what it's like to be manning. You think you can get used to this?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Even the steering wheel feels luxurious.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know what this is. What is that? Do you know what that is?
Probably controls the
Something.
firmness of the seat.
Yeah, it controls something, the firmness.
Firm or more soft.
You know, the funny thing is, I think they were getting, so they hear that we tour RVs all day. I came highly recommended when I was talking to the guy. I told him about some mutual friends, and I think they're getting like the creme de la creme on the knowledge guy. In reality, I'm just stoked to be here in this expensive of a fifth wheel, or in a motorhome. But you get a ton of space. I mean, the view on this thing, even with the TV down, is pretty darn snazzy. I wonder if you could drive with this with the TV down if someone was in the back. I don't know about the legalities of that. But you even have things like, you know, all your different controls are going to be right here as well. And then you have some more little storage right there. Obviously, you got the dovetail construction. I would expect nothing less. I'm sure it's after a really high-regarded tree. It's probably like a sequoia, you know?
Yeah.
It's mowed down the Sherman tree.
Beautiful stone countertops.
Oh, yeah. Induction cooktop.
Microwave, although you will notice there is no potato setting.
No potato mode. So that's going to be, we're going to dock it for that. The dishwasher on this thing, it's pretty darn cool how it's built into the sides here.
Okay, I can't.
Huh. I don't know. There is a dishwasher down there, though. So.
Oh, there it goes. I had to tap it. You just got to tap it and wake it up.
There you go.
And then it will unlock for you. But it's nice how it blends in. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb.
So what's crazy, too, is this is actually, so that little cutout right there is going to be the slide floor, and that goes in like super smooth. No floor vents in here, so I'm assuming it's got some sort of aqua vent where water will kind of heat up underneath. But another thing, too, is you have just so much space here in the sink. I mean, this is just a pretty high-end feeling sink, and you got the whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. Babe, you want to show them the refrigerator and some of the storage that we got? Well, what's this right here?
Well, this is some storage pantry. Put your canned goods, snacks, pastas, sauces.
I'm sure the people buying this are probably eating something like rigatoni.
This fridge is beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
And it has a feature I love with the wine rack hidden above.
That is pretty
cool.
cool.
You can keep all of your bottles there and secured.
Oh, yeah. Is that part refrigerated also?
I do not believe so, no.
Okay,
the
yeah.
seal is below.
Yeah, I saw that right there. It's pretty darn neat.
And then across the way, they have custom cabinetry, built-in wine stem glass holders. So you can have your cups secured and ready to go right across from the wine bar.
Everywhere we go, we've been seeing these things. We need to get one.
Okay, we'll try it out.
They even got the fancy mugs, how they stack up like real smooth. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah. Nice.
What was that? What's the material down here? Feels nice.
Yeah, nice rubber-lined drawer.
Yeah, cool.
For your coffee pods. In case anything spills, it just makes cleaning out a little bit easier.
What about the little half bath?
Beautiful little half bath. I love the little sink. It's very quaint and small, but still luxurious at the same time, just with the materials that they use.
You want to sit down on there so we can kind of get a life feel?
And you can wash your hands without even getting up.
That'd be great for me.
Convenient.
It's a 2-for-1.
Yeah.
Let's show them what a big boy looks in. You want to take the camera right here?
Sure.
I want to be on screen. Are you kidding me? We got to document that I'm in this thing. All right. 6 foot, 300 pounds. I'm also very wide shouldered too. So one thing that I notice as a big guy is I am pressed up on either side. However, with the door, once that gets shut, I don't think that is going to be an issue. That's still pretty nice, especially for a half bath. And then you are right.
Yeah.
Take it up on the shower. We're going to keep you on camera duty. I like that. Why don't you come on back here? Maybe stand right there and we'll show off the little washer and dryer situation that we got going on. So if you're going to do laundry, which I imagine the person probably buying this probably isn't doing too much laundry. I think they're probably sending it out to something. If you do, you got it right here. What do you think about the location of the laundry?
Again, I think having it central is just very convenient.
Yeah. Because what I like too is it's not actually in the bedroom. It's kind of in the hallway. So if you are sleeping, I think you could still run this, and the wall is actually thick enough to where I think it would probably deaden that out enough to where it really wouldn't bother you. Another thing that I thought was pretty darn crazy was the just like the depth of storage you get right there. So I mean, that's my backpack, but you got a little mirror lining right there too.
Yeah, I love how they have the mirrors lined inside.
You want to hop on the bed? See how comfortable it is? Do a little tush test?
Oh, wow.
No.
So nice. So nice.
I'm coming on with you.
Yes.
All right, let's get this down. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
All right. We need to get rich.
This is better than the bed we have in our house.
This is better than the bed we have in our house. All we had to do is get a $1.8 million motorhome, and we could have had a nicer bed.
Yeah.
That's it. We got to make some more tours. This one should make us at least 100 air, though. So this was on the screen, too, which it looks like you can control it from the bed as well. Won't mess with it too much because, again, came in kind of on a whim to record this, but this will go up and down, you know, there obviously as well. You got the wood slats. You also have some pull-out drawers here, too, which are pretty darn cool. Not overall too deep there. What are you checking out, baby?
Nothing. Just looking at the cool features. I like how you have the tablet, and so you can control lighting and everything without even having to get up out of the bed.
Yeah, that's really nice. And then, I mean, you're in charge of the bathroom. This is like all you, all the way around.
So beautiful. Just the way they've done the sink with the drop backs of the water, I think that's just beautiful. It makes it functional and art at the same time. And this shower. I mean, you have your nice seating in here, beautiful shelving for all of your products, shampoos, razors, conditioner.
And it's actually soundproof as well. This is why we'll never have this. I mean, yes.
Great storage above the toilet.
When I was in Malibu, I sent my child to mime school.
And plenty of room for this toilet.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that could handle you after a big old buffet.
Spins. I mean, this is great when you really need to bear down.
Oh no! All right, let's do a little sit and reflect time. What do you think?
Sure.
Maybe we should do it with our orchids.
Coming out here, having breakfast mimosas.
Oh yeah.
Watching the beautiful view out of this array of windows.
For sure.
Perfection.
Oh yeah. All right. Then we got the whole front area here. Oh, you all right?
Yep.
Guess there's one hazard there.
Yeah.
Camera's rolling and they're not shutting down.
They gotta fix that.
You want to hop on and say something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you want me to say?
I don't know. The camera's rolling. You walked on in, so I'm thinking maybe a little introduction. Say where you're at and how they can find a hold of you.
Good morning. I'm Tyle with the Motor Coach Store. We're here on location at Tampa at the Super Show 2026, and we're inside the Loki.
There you go. We're about right at the end of our tour, but I mean, this is like a heck of a thing. We're gonna do a couple short tours of it. But who's buying these things?
Everybody.
Yeah. You guys were banging yesterday.
Yeah, we were busy.
What about how does ordering work?
You come down, you sit down, you pick out your interior. You can select your slide out configuration, your interior, your exterior.
Just every inch.
And every inch. And then from there, it's, if we start at the very beginning, it's about a 10-month process.
That's not bad.
So we do have units in production.
Sure.
And so if you like a slide out and an exterior that's already been selected, you can select the interior and the layout that you want, and that could be cut down to 4 to 6 months.
Well, cool. Babe, you got any send-off? What'd you think?
Absolutely loved it.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous.
You just missed some good stuff.
Babe, I love her name tag.
Yeah. All right. See you guys. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See.